Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to upload your song, remix or cover in SoundCloud using your phone. So all you need to do is open your SoundCloud app, then log in into your account. Then as you can see here in the home page, there is the upload icon here on the top right corner. Just click on it. Then select the remix you want to upload. I'm going to upload Glamour Remix, for example. Then all you need to do is fill out this part. So like uploading an image, choosing the title, the genre, all of that. And then you need to wait until the upload is done. Then click save. And that's it. Now you have your song uploaded on SoundCloud. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.